People have always wondered why they live in such a way. Once upon a time, there were 6 individuals who found themselves trapped in different struggles and emotions. Questioning why their lives were so challenging, the first person, plagued by constant sickness and failures, wondered aloud, "Why do I live like this? Trouble seems to find me wherever I go." "Life with a hint of sadness," replied. "You're caught in a cycle of anger and resentment towards the world. Your heart is burdened by revenge and strong dislike. But true happiness lies in living for your own joy, the happiness of others and the blessings of God." The second person, weary from constant conflicts, asked, "Why am I always at odds with someone or something?" Life empathetically responded, "You persist in spite of everything and everyone, like an eternal rebellious teenager. This keeps you trapped in a web of never-ending struggles. To find true happiness, you must rise above these battles and embrace a more peaceful way of living." The third person, lacking self-confidence and constantly seeking validation, questioned, "Why am I so dependent on others' opinions?" With a gentle tone, Life explained, "Your purpose is to be an inspiration to others, to live a life that others envy. But remember, true happiness lies in finding yourself and your own passions. Only then can you inspire others genuinely." The fourth person, overwhelmed by stress and tension, pleaded, "Why do I always feel this way?" Life sighed and said, "Are you living to prove yourself to someone? You tirelessly invest your time and effort into proving your worth, but nobody truly needs that. Find solace in the axiom of happiness and let go of the constant need for external validation." The fifth person, feeling bored and uninterested, wondered, "Why does life seem so dull?" With a sparkle in its voice, Life responded, "You're missing out on the wonders of life. Like a timid creature hiding from the world, you must embrace curiosity and engage fully. Allow life's beauty to captivate you, and you will find excitement and happiness." The sixth person, devoid of joy, pleaded, "Why can't I find happiness in anything?" Life, filled with compassion, replied, "Because you're not truly living your own life. Your joys are overshadowed by the desires and expectations of others. Discover your authentic self, your dreams, and the things that ignite your soul. Surround yourself with meaningful connections. Only then will you find the happiness you seek."